making a sponge cake. Not any sponge cake, but a gluten-free sponge cake. We have 4 ounces of caster sugar, 4 ounces of margarine, 4 ounces of gluten-free self-raising white flour, 2 eggs cracked into a bowl, or you can just crack them in the bowl there, 1 tablespoon of golden syrup. So, first we put, is it there?
You can put the flour in first.
The flour in. Give it a little tap.
Right, watch your fingers. That's enough, got it all in. Bobo, on to the next.
Then we put 4 ounces of margarine.
Might need the spoon to give it a little bit of help.
Now we need to put this in.
4 ounces of caster sugar. It's a little bit dusty, isn't it, with all that flour going around, but anyway.
And then we put the eggs in.
Make sure it all goes in. Okay,
Then we
watch your fingers.
put this.
Right, wait till that's all mixed. Which it kind of is. So now,
We put this in.
you might need that little spoon. If I give you a hand. Whoops. Spoon that in. We'll stick a little bit more of the syrup in as well, I think. That's golden syrup. Is there much left? It's right at the very end now, isn't it? That's it.
There is more.
There we go. That'll do.
There is more than that. And now we just wait.
How's that mixing? Oh, that looks really good actually. I think that might be ready. Okay, that was good and quick. If we'd used butter, it might have taken a little bit longer, but we've used some baking margarine. Yeah, right. Let me pull that up. Right, let's give this a little bang down. Oh, what happened there? Almost took my fingers off. Health and safety. Right, I'll pull that and you pull that up. Whoa, all the way back. That's it. Make sure it engages this time. Right, twist that off. Okay, bring your big spoon with you. Actually, we've got a big spoon over there.
There, it's dipped on it.
Ah, well, you should have rolled your sleeves up. Okay, we've got 2 baking pans here with a sheet of parchment paper, baking paper, in the bottom because on our last attempt the cake stuck to the bottom.
Well, this
That was the
last
cake.
attempt, not mine.
Yeah.
So, 1.
Okay, quicker way is I tip it and you pour it. Or rather, I pour it and you scoop it out. Okay. Might have to edit this bit because it's going to take a while, isn't it?
Put the cake in each tin, Max. Each one.
Yeah. So you've divided the cake mix into equally between 2 5-inch cake tins.
So, we turn it on. Bake. Make it
20 minutes at 160. Match it so it cooks the same in both
Now see you
sides.
in 20 minutes. Yes. So bye for now.
Okay, so that's
And
a 20.
now it's finished in 20 minutes. Whoa.
Right, that's going to be hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what can you put on your hands? Leave those there behind you on the table. Silicone little finger
Or
mitts.
you can use those.
Yeah, our little Pac-Man things. There we go. Now it's just one. Just reach in and grab one of the little round tins without touching the sides. So take it over to the rack. Now okay. Bring the other one over then. That's it. Be very careful when you're doing that because it will be very hot.
Oh,
Now,
you
keep-
can just see so much.
Oh, yeah, the oven gloves. Well, I'll tell you what, why don't you go put a pair of oven gloves on now?
We have 2 sets.
Yeah.
I don't mind which one I use, but these ones are my personal favourite.
Okay.
Well,
Right.
really
So, very slowly and carefully, you can actually hold one hand over the top there and tip it over. So, that's it. There we go. And then just bob it onto there. That's it. Okay, and then slide him off. Wow. Okay, and then we'll do the same with the other one. Are you going to take the paper off? Okay, that's good. Excellent. Okay, and then tip the other one over.
How do you?
You can just tip it straight over. It's just that I only say put your hand over it just to stop it breaking. Looking good, my friend. All right. Look at those.
Let's just wait a couple of minutes and we'll be back.
Yep.
For a couple
So
of
yeah,
minutes
we're
again.
going to leave them to chill, and actually we'll end it there because I haven't actually got any buttercream to make any icing sugar to make any buttercream.
So we'll probably just put them in the fridge and then.
Yeah, well, we'll leave them to cool down and then we'll put them in a plastic cake.
Yeah, then we'll get
Thingamajig.
some buttercream.
Yeah.
So bye for
But-
now. See ya.
But how do you make buttermilk? You add some butter to some icing sugar and whisk it together, and then it makes like a really nice buttery.
I thought you added butter with milk because it's
No,
called
that'd be buttermilk. Right. Okay.